Everybody, and welcome to another video. We're back on the Tulip SMP, and we're actually starting today at spawn because I'm mad. This is messed up. Also, if you hear Nominal Gravy in the background, that's because he's live streaming. I never want to miss a live stream from Mr. Nominal Gravy. I have a 18 stream streak and I must continue it. Anyway, because in the last video that I recorded, because I have a video that I recorded but I haven't edited it and I haven't posted it, because I think I'm just gonna scrap it. It was just a terrible video. Oh, there's a person. So they added the asexual bear in the tab, but they don't. It doesn't actually have a model yet. So okay, we're doing this now. Does this count as one? Yeah, another one.
Shows me like a photo of her dog, I'm like, what? No, that's this fuck ass creature, man. What is this? This dog is the goofiest little fucker I've ever seen in my life. I'm like, what is this chud ass creature? What is this creature, man? His head is shaped like an avocado. I don't know how to explain it. Her dog is it's a creature. I don't know, man. La creatura. Sleepy Humans Cheerdex 100. What did the dog do to you? If you saw this thing, you would understand. Like he looks like a cute little guy. Don't get me wrong, but he's a little creature. He's a little creature. Me, Cheerdex 100. I don't have to call for my cat. My cat just screams at me. No, that's awesome. He's a vocal little guy. He's a vocal little guy.
Because yeah, we have the asexual thing. But again, it doesn't have a like everything else. It doesn't have like a it doesn't have a a model, which also the models for these are so cute. Aww. Oh my god.
If you guys were a cat, this is you guys. He's so fucking hungry. He's so hungry. Give him food. Give him all of the sustenance. Give him all of the calories. He deserves them all. Them all. No, do you remember one cat as well that has like the really deep voice? That cat's also big. Big fan of that cat. Our spirit animal. Okay, cat. Why you're pissed? What is this creature, man? What is the there are real tears in my eyes. Holy shit. Oh my god, there are real tears. Oh fuck me, man. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh, I was not ready for that.
Anyway, back to the egg hunt.
That thing saw God and then came back. What creatures are? Holy shit. Oh my god.
Someone's fishing in. Wait, no, why is that actually smart? For like.
My entire vertical monitor. My entire vertical monitor on the right.
Oh. Gonna be a problem. Is that if you can hear Nom, he does swear quite a bit, and I'm trying to be more PG. This because okay. I don't think it's going to be in any of the houses, just for the simple fact of like. Like it has stuff like that.
Jesus. You were wheezing, bro. That was real. That was a real fucking belly laugh. That got me. That got me, bro. Bro, that shit got me in the straight up Windex bottle. But it sounded I was gone.
Windex bottle.
Oh. Monossi cheered X100.
Ooh,
Tell me
no.
why I put Bertie in pets, and I've been told twice already that pets are just like their owners. Can they not cook? Can your dog not cook potatoes? Also, if pets are like potatoes, my cat thinks she's a golden retriever, so. Oh my god.
I'm just having a lovely laughy time doing this icon.
I still stand by what I said before of like those potatoes that mom cooked, like that's criminal. That's criminal. 100 uncalled for, and no, it's cause apparently he's special. I hear Ron typing and hell. What breed is your cat? Little guy. She's a little guy. Yeah, what's that about? Time it for a week? My hops. My hops. What if I just decided to like wake up today and rupture a chatter, you know? What if I just decided to rupture a chatter today? Hey, underscore kitten for years X100. I'm not afraid. Phenomenal gravy. Freedom of speech? I mean, yeah, you can say whatever you want. You can say whatever you want.
You can see my freaking phone being sensitive and glitching out.
So for real, I've enjoyed my time. I've enjoyed my time.
There's one way to fix it, but I don't want to do it.
Sitting here batting today. We've been sitting batting. Yep. It's been an hour. Yep, it's been an hour of just yapping. And honestly, good yap session. That went quick, I know, right? Are we dungeoning today? Very. Honestly, yeah, probably. I will obviously be hanging out with Horsey and Kitty. That obviously isn't like canon. Like in canon universe, I am not just hanging out with Horsey, but like I just want to hang out with my friends. But like there might be other little lore points.
Okay, we seem to be doing better now. I don't know what my original plan with the bucket was, but I'm gonna get lava. I'm gonna use it to get lava. Eventually, we're going to have a staircase down here. For now,
It is a little bit like continuity break, but also this isn't a scripted SMP, and I want to hang out with my friends. So subscribe for 2 months. TLDR, if someone has a problem with it, I have a really good like resource. It's called Fucking Yourself. If someone has a problem with me hanging out with my friends because continuity doesn't make sense, my personal, I really think the best way to go about it is to shake yourself and be like, oh wait, I'm being stupid. Gotcha, okay.
Scotty doesn't know that Fiona and me. I cannot remember that song lyric by lyric for the.
Recommend it personally.
I knew there was water nearby. I really do not like birchwood, but the temptation to set up here was just way too much. Oh, it's raining.
Oh my god, the bond maze. I do kind of love the bond maze. Cheered X100. Thanks for the perfect tower of yap while I was grocery shopping. Honestly, it made my day. Hell yeah, man. If I could just be like a stupid little podcast in the background. Why is there creaking blocks there? lots of healed leaves, no? Yeah, is that correct again? Well, Creaking King, you're kind of shit at your job, man. That didn't really work for you, did it? Well, they're gone forever. Anyway. Wait. We must get our money up. We must get our money up before I talk to friends.
Sausage X100. You mentioned my cooking in the Discord, brought my cooking pictures.
You don't cook things, you cremate them.
Fuck you / silly.
What you did is not cooking. I saw those potatoes, man. That shit needed a funeral. Like that's cooked. Well, actually, no, it's not cooked. It's gonna fly in. They were edible? If I was an onyx, maybe? Bro, the only thing that looks like it could be edible is nothing that fucking you, dude. Like, they look like nothing.
That's the first monster I've slain?
Like, that was a messed up situation. Oh my god. Oh, I need to make smart armor. Right, remind me to make smart armor. Actually, I'm literally here. I could just do it while we sparkle. I'm a bit sleepy. Who do we have as the computer today? Venus. That's a good one. Make smart armor? Oh, thanks, God. I appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. Thank you. I still can't believe that Sausage got the same deal as me and now has 18 hearts. But he just has more hearts because he got the deal after being cured. The Creaking King owes me 3 hearts. I'm saying it. Can I backtax the Creaking King? Can that happen? Oh, good. Can I backtax the Creaking King? I think I should. I think I should tax him. I think we should. Sue the Creaking King. Mon, we need you. Mon, can you like deliver papers to the Creaking King for me? Mon, what is the legal here? What is the legal here, Mon? Do we have a case? Do we have a case against the Creaking King? I think we do.
I'm doing no legal help for you, you fucker.
My lawyer is not good at lawyering. My lawyer is not being a very good lawyer right now. Kind of messed up. My lawyer is not lawyering. Fucked. I think that's a good deal. That's 5 times more. 5 times 0 is 0. Look, I mean, remember. Let me see what happened was. What happened was. Now, honestly, I would love, like, whenever I say, I know, like, I would love to do, like, the sort of thing that, like, Ludwig does at some point.
Sausage X100. I'll start charging my firm's rates. Don't test me / silly. Mediocrity _@_its_finest cheered X100 in getting you baby chicks this weekend.
Little guy,
In naming one after you.
Oh, hell yeah. Little chicken, little guy. Little guy. Like, obviously, I mean, shocker, the absolute shocker that I'm gonna say right now. The community has been growing at an absolutely, like, rate. So, like, I don't know, I always have thought about it, like, if I could get to the point where, if the community does, like, keep growing, I would love to be in the position, like, personally, where I could, like, throw some money towards the mods. Especially the ones that have been here, like, for so long. That would be awesome.
GTF cheered
That would be
X100.
awesome.
If I come to TwitchCon, will you buy me nuggets?
Bro, DJ, where would I even do that, man?
Real Citizen cheered X100. It's a shame about your legal team because the Creaking King just hired me.
Okay, but to be fair, we're actively killing that guy. It seems like his clients kind of gonna be cooked soon. Clients kind of gonna be cooked soon. I don't know how to tell you. Venus, I took all your money, sorry. I took your money, sorry, my bad. Okay, chat, so like, surely I... Okay, scores can still love the game, right? Surely we do.
Manassi cheered X100. Wraith might have to actually fight a case. How did that toothpick hire a lawyer?
I don't know, man. I mean, he is a king. I imagine he does have the funds. Also, chat, I did the math yesterday. We have, like, over 1,000 gold ingots. I think it was, like, around, like, 1,800 or 1,000. It was, like, either a percent. I can't remember. For some reason, I either have, like, 1,300 or 1,800 ingots of gold, which is awesome. Awesome and cool and awesome. And this math, I mean, hey, crazy idea. I actually am not always a dumbass. Have we thought about this? Have we thought about the fact that maybe outside of Minecraft I'm actually pretty smart? Have we thought about this? Is this possible in any of our brains? Oh! I'm assuming May fixed this house.
Pesky Bird cheered X100.
Crazy.
You
Crazy.
can't hoard from your lawyer.
Yeah, I can't.
Lux Core Archie
I
just
hope
subscribed
no.
for 2
I'm
months.
gonna go Lux. Lux, thank you so much for the 2 months. I appreciate it. Like,
Real
whoa!
Citizen cheered X100. I cannot disclose anything about my client mom, but feel free to contact me regarding a deal. Smile.
Can I think I could bribe the Creaking King. I think I could bribe the Creaking King, surely. Surely I could bribe the Creaking King. I'm gonna join the group. Yeah. Huzzah! Are they on the bridge? They're not on the bridge. Oh, they must have finished the thing right. Okay, I'm gonna join the group. Wait, I'm gonna join the group. Let's see if they notice that I'm in there. Let's see if they notice if I join. If I just stay quiet.
Yeah, I see you, like, I watched your stream as you were, like, sneaking up, and I was like, frick, she's not gonna know.
You didn't notice.
Hi,
We'll see,
Mom.
babe. Yeah. Hello!
Hello, Domino Great.
Blue Bounce
How
is
you
just
doing?
resubscribed for 2 months.
Good.
Laura went good today.
What? Wait, what?
Laura went good today.
Yeah! That was super awesome. I'm super glad that I wasn't, like, stalling for ages because I didn't know if I had to meet you or not today, and you
Oh, I'm
respond
so sorry.
to DMs!
Okay,
Anyway.
to be fair, I saw the message while we were in Sparkle Friday, right? And you said that while you were going on. I thought you were logging on, and you didn't, and now I feel bad. I'm sorry.
So you read them? I'm sorry, so you read the message. You read the message of me going, hey, I really need to know this before I go live, or like,
But then I click on your
you read the message of me going, hey, I really need to know this so that I know what to do, and then you were like, he's fine, he can figure it out. I'm missing you again, and it's gonna be real this time. I'm missing you at TwitchCon.
I'm so sorry.
I'm getting a big rock at TwitchCon, and I'm then offending you.
I thought you were just logging on anyway. I was gonna have to figure it out. That's what I used to do.
This guy.
I'm so sorry.
Mods miss worse of it.
It's okay though. It's okay. Did you have a wonderful time? What were you doing?
I went live, and then for an hour was just chilling and just chatting and just vibing with my chat. It was awesome.
Well, that's fun. That's awesome.
I have
That's
coffee.
a
It's
joyous time.
awesome.
That's so
It was
epic.
awesome.
Where are you?
Farkling to get money so I can get food because I left my froggy tokens behind.
Oh. You can go get more froggy tokens.
I know, I'm just not getting the froggy tokens.
Oh.
It's no forwarding dungeon, right?
Yes, that's what the thing is, I believe.
Gotcha.
Databases rights and wrong.
Do not question what just happened. Shush. But we now have the water that leads down, which won't be here for too long. It's just an easier way for me to get down
I love how
before I make the staircase.
thought about
Also, yes, I drowned.
was I realized there hasn't really been any flashback perspectives of anything that's
is the volume
happened
all fine?
in
Oh my God,
Waterfall
that's
or
so
any of
lucky.
like the big
Is the
moments.
volume fine? Am I
And
like
so I thought about
louder
the
than
cinematics,
PC
like
or anything?
giving people a perspective
If anything
that
is
they
like too
didn't
quiet or
have
too loud
before
or
of the
anything, just let me
scene that
know.
happened in the past. So when I went to like everything, like every little moment that happened, it's like a way that other people could see it, you know, that I thought would be kind of fun. Like the one with the moment with the mace, two with the I'm
So,
outside the dungeon right
I
now.
don't think I've properly addressed this. This is just my starter base.
Get going.
Two with the whole god situation, but also it's like those like ghostly
Can we talk about
flashback
the god
moments.
situation?
Let's not.
It's like a moist critical video, guys. Let's talk about the god situation. This frog is got what? It got
Guys, did you know that I-
50 points in one turn?
Oh.
Okay, right. Yeah, sick. I'll die then.
It's a skill diff, I fear.
I mean, it's like see you.
Guys, you know that I hit
It's frog. Call me frog for the rest of today, I think.
Well, that's my name.
Of course.
Yeah.
Whatever you say, rogue. Rogue the rogue.
Rogue the rogue.
I don't know what I'm doing.
My knees. Okay.
I'm just
On my way to the dungeon.
Oh.
testing.
That was the most old thing I've ever heard you say. You turn 23 and all of a sudden it's.
My friend! You Sonic!
And your next character you play at some point should just be an old man. I think that'd be good.
My back's so bad they call me the creaking king.
Okay, let's get you to bed, Grandpa.
I have not planned this out at all. You know what? You know what? Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
There you go, Bert. We could just start it without them. We could just start it without them. It'd be fine. Actually, so well. Almost did it. If we didn't get the stupid relic room as the last room, we would have fine.
We're like 45,000 ratings, so like no reason.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm bad.
Yeah. No, I shouldn't have even been here.
I'm starting to think, like, are we gonna kill the king in time? It's been like
I
3
just
days.
read that a little
It's been
bit.
like 3 days since I've even got to the Creaking King boss fight.
Yeah.
The relic room is just way too hard.
We're gonna have to do a ton of damage today. We're just gonna have to kill it today. Actually, like this. Yeah. Today. Okay. Wait, down yet?
I will be there in like 2 seconds. I've got one more.
Oh, dang it. Okay, never mind.
What?
I have no armor, so I don't think we have. You know who probably does have a crafting table?
Only took 8 of
Do any of you guys have a graphic design?
Welcome to a
I do not.
What? What?
Dang it.
I just put them all away.
Are you being so serious? That's like,
No, it's
like
okay.
away.
I have a
They can literally look at my inventory. There's nothing in there.
What's the big idea? You're freaking evil, dude! You're evil! You're evil! What?
Anyway,
All of our bases.
that is where I'm going to end this video. But until next time, be well, be gay, and I'll see you next time.